we developed a toolkit on listening and empowering approach for practitioners, scientists, organizers, and facilitators. You have two kind of content. You have example of new way to embed listening in your practice, and you have tools for self-evaluation as well.
Yeah, so these three communities of people, the facilitators, the organizers of activities, and the scientists, have at the same time the attention driven to the fact that listening is important, and some practical tools that can allow them to do it in practice.
Mostly a book, an e-book, and it contains an introduction to what is our context. It resumes what is science and society, what is social inclusion, how you can use a science activity to empower people, and introduce different modules, because you can also have the full book, but you can use specific modules on how to embed, how to train scientists to interact with young people in an empowered way. Or you can have the full content of it from the way you create your activity to the way you can evaluate it and refine it.
Yeah, the two poles are important: creating, performing. Three poles: creating, performing, and evaluating. So the way you conceive your activity so that the voice of your public can be included, the way you conduct your activity, so when you speak to children, which attention you should give to the fact that they have a voice, they need a space for a voice, and as Vanessa was saying, the evaluation part is very important to self-assess whether what I'm doing is indeed inclusive and is indeed allowing the voice of the public and the children in this case.
Sometimes you want to improve your activity, you want to have more participation, and you don't know how to do it. So this toolkit gives you a clue to know how to do it. Step by step, you can just choose one activity and embed it, or you can completely refine your activity using all the material that we put in the toolkit. So you can have the first step of embedding participation and listening in your practice, or you can refine all your activity through what you will find in the toolkit. So we have many steps.
We came to the idea that this toolkit was important after having observed and interviewed people delivering science in society activities, and we identified some needs that they had on how to translate a general willingness, a passion for listening, a passion for including into an implementable strategy. And we developed the toolkit to respond to this demand.